Hi, this is Bentley Adkins. I'm going to really quickly go over RNN, LSTM, and GRU. Pretty self-explanatory. It just using LSTM is using the cells for uh, having the long, short term memory, and then RNN uses the hidden features it's which is really good for really good for like sequences, but not good for that long memory. So that's why we have that. And then the gated recurrence units helps with training quicker using 2 units instead of three like LSTM. So first we imported the libraries. I went with a different book other than the Alice in Wonderland from the tutorial. I went with Frankenstein, so this library specifically pulls the text from that, and then stores it into a TXT file. This is our parameters that we use for our model, and this is the to open it, get the valid characters, get the training string. Let's see, and then yeah, creating the training and target string, and then this right here is just mostly just displaying and reformatting the sequence for the training and target data. So if you scroll here, you'll see the training and target here. It's much they're mostly very identical. Um, then this is our actual model using the LSTM. Which these are all parts of our parameters. And we also have a dropout, linear, forward, and then this actually is the selects our GPU, which I switched to my personal account and used a instead of using the T4, which is free with if you don't have the Google Colab Pro, you can sign up for a free account, and I did as long as you have a school email. So I switched to my personal account, which has my school email tied to it. And I started running the A100 GPU, which was really good. And then, yeah, this is just initializing the model based off of the parameters. We use cross entropy. Optimizer was Atom, which we've been using Atom for most of ours, besides the convolutional neural network, which started with Eta Delta, and then I had switched it over to Atom after, but anyways, this is the where we generate our text and loading the data set loader. And then for this assignment, I had done it started with 20, but I had changed it to 100 to see how it looked, and it actually performed pretty well. The start was a little rough. You could tell that it was let me go back to the top. It was getting a lot of sequences of and and then once you kept going and after a couple more epochs the loss started getting closer to zero, and you could see that we're actually processing words from our text file of Frankenstein, which was stored here, but I'm not connected to the runtime right now. So and that was mostly it for this assignment. It was very similar to the tutorial, so there wasn't too much to have to change, but yeah. All right. Thank you.